He's getting on.
Yeah.
What? No, good. Trish, okay, as soon as you finish.
Righto, Raechel, what you can do? Oh, very good.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Hey, you're all right. Hurry up, show us what you can do, right?
That sounds like on the banks of the river. Running bear.
Yeah, I know.
Very good.
It hasn't finished yet, so we can put stickers on it. Take the safety wrapper off that and put stickers on it. You want to look inside?
Yeah, is it much trouble?
No, not at all. Just go like that. You come around on the car.
There's a blowy in here.
Will you
How long have you had a door out in there?
hold
Door
that?
out where?
They kicked the
Son.
curtain out the window.
Bit of respect.
I asked you to hold it.
No, you didn't.
I said hold it, please.
No, you
Bring
didn't.
it in here at the table, bring it in.
You just stick it on your head.
So you think of a pop?
In the river!
Elizabeth, my son's.
Scratches them when you're all on
I'm not getting as much time out of these batteries as I should. I'm sure I'm not. Here it comes. Can't keep up with it.
Oh, you want to have the car to come around the corner and collect it?
Yeah. It's like trying to keep up with like trying to keep up with those go-karts that he had.
Yeah, but that's it. At the moment, it's low on fuel.